Good morning, friends, and happy Wednesday. Welcome back to Daily Vlogs. I hope everybody's enjoyed their week so far. I hope everybody's caught up on our Pensacola vlogs. If not, I will be putting those up here in the corner. So you guys can link right to those videos if you guys missed them. I hope that you guys enjoyed them. I enjoyed every single minute while we were there, especially with my son. Thank you guys for all of the happy birthday wishes that you are sending him. Tomorrow, Thursday, the 23rd, is actually his real birthday. So thank you guys so much for wishing him a happy birthday. It means a whole lot. It really does. Okay, so today's Wednesday. I am out. I have not really done anything all week at home. Pretty much just stayed at home, relaxed, got caught up on some laundry. Some, not a lot, some. I'm still doing laundry. I don't know why I still do laundry. It's like takes forever. But anywho, so I am out because I am getting ready to drop off my Posh stuff at my P.O. box. I'm about ready to pick up stuff at my P.O. box. I have to run to the bank really quick, and then I have to run to the store. And I really was like debating if I wanted to go to Walmart or if I wanted to go to Target. Walmart, Target, Walmart, Target. I don't know. Target's like that other way, the opposite direction, and Walmart's just like right here in town. So I'm not exactly sure what I feel like doing, but nonetheless, you guys know I will let you guys know what I do and I will bring you guys along. So I'm gonna drop this stuff off at my Posh at the P.O. box, but I wanted to kind of fill you guys in on like the weekend. So right now, I don't know who that is. Alrighty, so I did my other chores. I haven't gone to Walmart, Target yet, but I am at Hobby Lobby, so I kind of thought I'd go in here and see what new things they have available for Halloween and fall. I know I've been in here before. I just kind of wanted to see if they had anything else. So let's go check it out. I'm looking for the black and white buffalo print plaid stuff. So let's go check it out. Well, it looks like they are fully stocked now on everything. They've got all kinds of stuff now. I like these. $20.
I saw Cindy
40%.
yesterday to pick up tile, but she never came in car.
I like this too.
All right.
Looks like they're starting to get some other Halloween stuff out. Looks like they're trying. Oh, cute. I really like this. This is $3.99. I really like that. That's like really cute. Super cute. I like that. I think I might get that. That's cute. They've got this as their garland. Look at that. That's $8.99. And everything is 40% off here too right now. So that's good. Oh, I like Bernstein bears. Cute. These are cute pumpkins. $3.99 for those. Those are really cute. And I like this one. He's a cute one too. Kind of reminds me of the ones we used to have as kids. I like those. I saw this scale and it's actually $40, which is really nice. But it's also 50% off. So that's actually a really good deal. So if anybody's looking for a scale, you can come here and get one. And that's a really nice size scale too. I really don't want the red though. If it was galvanized, oh, there's a white one. Let's go look at that one. I spy a white one. This one is a bit larger. Oh, at least that thing stays on there. That's good. How much is this one? It's $60 with 50% off. It's still a little pricey. I don't know, it's like $30. I don't know, that's a good deal though. All this stuff is so cute. Okie dokie, so I went into Hobby Lobby, I went into Walmart. I actually had to go to Brian's work really quick too, so I went there, and then I went to Walmart, and now I'm at Panera. I'm gonna get me half of a sandwich and some soup, and then I'm gonna take it home and have some lunch, and then get my day started. I have to go get gas too. Ooh, I don't want to go get gas, so I think I'm gonna skip getting gas. I'll get gas later, I think, because I know I'll probably have to come out later and pick up something at my P.O. box if I feel like it, or I'll just get gas tomorrow. It's not like a big deal. I have 60 miles until I'm empty, so it should be fine till tomorrow. But I'm gonna get some lunch. I'm gonna get a sandwich, and then I'm gonna go home, eat it, and then start my day. I'll show you guys everything that I picked up at Hobby Lobby and what I picked up at Walmart, excuse me, as soon as I get home. So, yeah, yay. Alrighty guys, so I am back from Walmart and running a few errands. I just realized that I forgot a couple of things. It always happens, doesn't it? I hate when that happens. Oh well, I have to go back out anyway to get gas, so I'll just probably put it on my list and get it tomorrow. I just want to show you guys really quick the few things that I did pick up at Hobby Lobby and the things that I picked up at Walmart. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so the first thing that I picked up at Walmart was these cute little, like, I don't know, what do you guys call these things? Gauchos? Those are those like little split pants or whatever, but they're really baggy. These were on clearance for $5. So I thought I'd give these a try. They're super cute. I love the red in them. I love the white. I thought they'd look really, really cute with a red shirt. And then I got these. I'm trying to hang these on my... And then I got these. These are like little sweatpants, and these were on sale for $9. So I was just like, yeah, that'll work. They're cute. Minnie Mouse, who doesn't like those? And then I got some Cascade because I was about out. I got some, you know, personal, the JJ wash. I got half and half mix of some fresh baby spinach. This is like a nice little mixture. It's good. I got this pouch, this travel bag, because I'm addicted, and that one was so cute. I really like it. I might do like just a thorough like other video on just that bag. I got some Downy fabric softeners, some Rid-X, and I got some more of my Unstoppables. I got some Clorox toilet wand brushes. I got some Dixie plates. I got some lemons, some tomatoes, zucchini, squash, some Tide Pods, and I got these Cottonelle flushable wipes. Brian and I really do like flushable wipies. And then I got these containers that when these are empty, these can go right in there. And then over here, I picked up some peanut butter and milk chocolate. These are like morsels. Love these things. Butterscotch. I'm so excited about these. And then I got some Nestle Toll House semi-sweet morsels. And then you guys, oh my God, candy corn season. Candy corn season. I love candy corns. These are so good. And then I got some eggs. I got a little bit of butter. I got 2 things of cream cheese. I got some of this butter. I got Brian some Activia, and then I got 2 things of sour cream because we were about out. And then from Hobby Lobby, alrighty, and then from Hobby Lobby, I did pick up this sign. These were not on sale, but they're 40% off because these are considered Halloween. So these were still regular price, which was $3.99 and $3.99, and this was $3.99. But I still like them. I still got them. They're super cute. And then I got this scale instead of the other ones that I was looking for, again, because this one's different. I already have kind of 2 of the other ones. This was $27.99 with 50% off. So basically everything that I bought was a total of $27. So I thought this was cute. I thought it'd be cute to put like pumpkins, excuse me, a pumpkin on it or a candle or something like that. I really, really love this scale. So, excuse me, I have the hiccups. So fun for anytime, holidays or whatever, but I just thought these were cute too. So that's all I picked up at Hobby Lobby. So now I've got to go put all of those groceries away. My eye looks funky. Looks like it's missing something. It's like there's a big gap or something right there. Oh, that's weird. Anyway, but yeah, so I'm gonna put the groceries away. I'll talk with you guys a little bit later. Bye. So I'm sure I've showed you guys this before, but I always tell you, I always buy the like refillable packs of like Cascade or like my Tide right there. This is what I keep it in, inside of my sink area right here. And then I just pour them just like this. That way I know like when I'm about out or when I need more. So this is just so nice and convenient right here. I absolutely love it. I actually just like my dishwasher's right there. So I just grab one and then just put it in the dishwasher. It just makes it so much easier. So I left out of here so early this morning, and it really wasn't that early. I walked this morning first thing. I got in like a mile and a half, and then I took a shower immediately, ate a grapefruit, got my stuff ready, and then I left and I didn't make up my bed. So that's what I'm gonna do now. But before I do, I wanted to show you guys that I hung up that stuff over my TV, and it looks, my hair looks cute. Isn't this like a cute little ponytail? Okay, so it looks good today. Of all days, it looks really good with a ponytail. Some days I can do ponytails, some days I can't. Okay, change the subject back to what I was talking about. I hung up that stuff above my TV. Look how nice it looks. I love it. I actually put this in here the other day. That's something I got at Kirkland's. And then obviously these things are from Kirkland's as well. But I hung this stuff up. It looks amazing. And I decided to keep the clock because it kind of like, it just kind of helps set everything like this, you know what I mean. But yeah, I absolutely love this. So now I'm actually kind of looking for like a table that I could put here that I could actually put some stuff on, and some candles and whatnot. So that'll look really nice there. Obviously that fan stays there because we have to have the fan at night. I really love the way that this turned out. It looks so pretty. It's just so pretty from the view of our bed area. It just looks so nice, and it just kind of contrasts everything so nicely. Like it looks nice, that stuff looks nice over there, and this stuff looks nice over here, minus the bed not being made, which I'm gonna do like right now. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is clean up the kitchen, but first I'm gonna change the battery because it's flashing at me. So change battery, then clean kitchen. this is what we're having for dinner tonight. I'm gonna throw these on the grill. They already come like on these planks. This is a cedar plank salmon, hickory, maple, and then there's one here for, you know, me and Brian. And then I'm gonna make some mixed vegetables with that also on the grill, and that's always such a good meal to have. So for now though, I'm actually going to, I always save these papers. Remember I always tell you guys, save these like crumpy papers that they give you at Hobby Lobby or Kirkland's whenever they wrap up your stuff, because they come in handy when you need to wrap up other like breakables throughout your house. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go. I wanted to show you guys something else really quick too. So the other day I switched out my knobs. I think I told you guys this. I switched my knobs on my china cabinet to these. Are they gonna focus? Because they're so pretty. There we go. So I switched them to these. They're so pretty. And then I put them in the very bottom as well. So I think they just look super nice. I think it just adds like a really cool like shabby chic look to the china cabinet. Yeah, I love it. And then I still have this thing hanging up, which I don't think I want to take down. And I'm not going to, because it's going to be perfect for Halloween. Speaking of Halloween, these pumpkins, I'm just gonna go ahead and sit right here for now. I'm just gonna start slowly putting some of my pumpkins out, especially the things that I've already picked up. And this cute little boo is gonna go with me somewhere. I need to cut the tag off of it, and then I need to put it somewhere. So I'll figure that out soon. For now, I think I'm just gonna hang it right there for now. I kind of like it on the crooked side. I'm gonna take the tag off, of course, but I kind of like it there. For now, relax. Ain't gonna leave it there forever. But I am just trying to clean up a few things around here because I do kind of have a mess going on. Because I took these were on the china cabinet to begin with. These just say like K on it, and I just wasn't feeling it. They were just like too bulky. So I'm gonna toss them. I think I've had those for several years now, and I'm just not needing them right now. So I love it when my kitchen is cleaned up. I love hearing a dishwasher going. I just love it. It just feels productive. There's another thing that I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about, which I won't do today. It's about a new phone case that was sent to me for free to try out. And then there's like a link, but I will talk to you guys about that tomorrow. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. That way I can get this up and edited. And I will see you guys mañana in Wonderland. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this a huge thumbs up. And subscribe if you are new. And thank you guys so much for joining me. I'll see you guys. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. That's it. Yes, tomorrow. Bye.